Hello fellow plant lovers and welcome to the part 2 of our how to grow and harvest pechay video. I put the link of the part 1 below for those who want to review or watch it. On our last video, we stopped filming at day 42. So just a recap, here's the video of the day 42 petchays. Fast forward to day 47, here's what our petchays look like now. The leaves grew bigger, and based on my estimate, we can harvest it after 3 days. Aside from the petchays here in the container, I also planted a lot of petchays outside our house and inside our garage to do some experiment. The petchays planted in our garage did not do well because of lack of sunlight. As you can see here, the leaves curl and it did not grow big enough for consumption. One of the major factors that you should consider when growing petchay or any other plants, aside from using organic fertilizer, is if the plants want full sunlight. In this case, based on my experience, I've proven that the petchay wants full sunlight. It will grow healthier and faster if you expose it to full sun the whole day. Here's the petchays that I planted outside our house. These are transplanted petchays wherein I first use a seedling tray to sow their seeds, and after 2 weeks, I transferred it outside our house. Unlike what I did on the part 1 petchays in the container, where I directly put the seeds on the container and leave it until they mature there. The petchays outside grew faster than the one in the container because these petchays are only 25 days old, and probably after a few days you can harvest it already. I also use rice water here, and the only difference is they are more exposed to sunlight. Fast forward to day 30, we can now harvest our petchay. These are the 30 days old petchay. The leaves are mature and big enough for consumption, that's why we can harvest it. When harvesting this petchay, we will not pull the plant in the roots. Instead, we will just cut the stems here so the plant will still be alive and the leaves will grow again for second harvesting. These are the leaves that we got from the petchays outside. As what I said earlier, I just cut the stems here at the end. We can now use it for cooking. I will show you later on what the petchays look like after we cut these leaves. After we harvest some leaves, this is what it will look like. And after a few days, we can harvest again. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. and click the notification bell for updates.